If a Wiko phone is reset without removing the Google account, FRP can block access. In this video, we'll show 4 smart ways to bypass FRP and regain control. Option 1. How to remove Wiko FRP using Talkback. For Wiko Android 11 or earlier, start setup and connect to Wi-Fi. Enable Talkback in Vision settings. Use the L gesture to open the menu. Then access help and feedback or a link to reach a browser. Option 2. How to bypass Wiko Google FRP via ROM to box. Install ROM 2 box and MTK drivers and prepare compatible Wiko T50 firmware. Open ROM 2 box, choose bypass FRP, connect the powered off phone in BROM mode, then click start, reboot when done. Option 3. How to bypass Wiko FRP lock via MCT MTK FRP bypass. Open the extracted folder and launch the tool. Connect your powered off Wiko in power plus volume up mode. Select your phone version, click bypass, and remove the FRP lock. Option 4. How to bypass Wiko FRP via Android Lock Wiper. Highly professional. Locked out after a reset. Android Lock Wiper can bypass Wiko FRP and remove Google verification, unlocking T50, T30, T20, and more. It also deletes pins, patterns, passwords, fingerprints, and face locks automatically. How to bypass Google FRP lock on Wiko with Android Lock Wiper. Download and install the software, select Remove Google Lock FRP in advanced mode, and connect your Wiko via USB. Click Start, follow the prompts, enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. Then begin FRP removal.